Abhishek Bachchan has tested negative for COVID-19 and has been discharged from hospital. The actor revealed on his verified Twitter and Instagram accounts on Saturday afternoon. A promise is a promise. This afternoon I tested COVID-19 negative. I told you guys I had beat this. Thank you all for your prayers for me and my family. My eternal gratitude to the doctors and nursing staff at Nanavati Hospital for all that they have done. Thank you, tweeted Abhishek Bachchan on his blue tick Twitter handle. Shortly after, Abhishek posted a picture on Instagram of the care boat that was maintained on his behalf at the hospital. On the boat, the discharge plan column says yes. As a caption, he wrote on Instagram, I told you, discharge plan yes. This afternoon I tested COVID-19 negative. Thank you all for your prayers and wishes. I am so happy to be able to go home. Believe my eternal gratitude to the doctors and nursing staff at Nanavati Hospital for taking such good care of me and my family and helping us beat COVID-19. We could not have done it without them. Abhishek, along with his father Amitabh Bachchan, was hospitalized with COVID-19 in July. On August 2, Big B was discharged, but Abhishek continues to be in hospital. Actress Kriti Sanon has penned a cryptic poem that could be as much about the ongoing heavy spell of rains in the city as about the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Kriti starred with Sushant in the 2017 reincarnation drama Rabta and was rumored to be in a relationship with the late actor by sections of the media. Her poem on the Instagram came after Sushant's girlfriend actress Rhea Chakravarti appeared at the Enforcement Directorate for questioning on Friday when Mumbai was paralyzed by torrential rain and storm. She wrote, It is cloudy, it is foggy, it's also unclear, but they say truth is like the sun, it's always there. So don't speculate, just patiently wait, for it's gonna be windy for a while and it's gonna rain. But remember, my friend, sometimes a storm is just like making way for the sun to shine again. In the caption, she added, patience. She captioned her poem with emojis of tornado, rain, clouds and sun. T-Series chairman and MD Bhushan Kumar's wife Divya Khosla Kumar was recently snapped at old T-Series office in Andheri. Divya looked gorgeous in white tee teamed up with short printed skirt. Recently, Divya received a lot of flack from netizens after she posted a video slamming Sonu Nigam. Actress Rhea Chakravarti has revealed the only two things of her late boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput that she possesses. Rhea's lawyer Satish Man Shinde has shared a photo of a gratitude list written by Sushant on Rhea's notebook, where he has mentioned that he is grateful for his life and the presence of Rhea's family in his life. She also shared a photo of the late actor's zipper with the Chichori, the title of Sushant's 2019 hit, written on it. The only property of Sushant that I possess, and this is his handwriting, Lilu is Shovik, Bebu is me, Sir is my dad, Ma'am is my mom, Fudge is his dog. Rhea explained the names on the note. The note is undated and it comes a day after the Enforcement Directorate questioned Rhea, her brother Shovik and her chartered accountant Ritesh Shah and former manager Shruti Modi for over 8 hours in connection with a money laundering probe in the wake of Sushant's death. Sushant was found hanging at his residence in Bandra on June 14. Rhea has been accused of abetment to suicide and money laundering, among other charges in an FIR filed by the late actor's father KK Singh.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.